Hello again, this is Shannen Nellas from BSSE III-8 and I'm going to present this app that children would enjoy, the Shadow Puppet Edu. It can be downloaded to iOS or Apple devices only for free. And as you can see, this app was really made for grades 2 to 12 and this offers to enhance the students' subjects and skills. And it is great for media literacy, creating media, assessment, and presentation. And since we only have Android device, I can't explore it firsthand. But if you do have any Apple devices, you can download and try this app for free. So now let's just take a look at what this app can offer. So here, dozens of lessons and project ideas are included in this app with more resources available on the developer's website. It can also project ideas including tips and relevant standards. Once they've selected these images to include, kids hit start and record their voices while they scroll through the images. Kids can also add text and background music to each slide. Presentations can be shared in a variety of ways, like this. Reviews also provided the pros and cons of this app. The ways on how can you use this tool to have more engaging instructional materials for children. What this app for and what can you access through this app. What this app can do for learning. So that's it, the Shadow Puppet Edu. Hope this app can help teachers who are teaching lower grade levels. Thank you for listening.